YouTube has evolved from being a normal social media to a platform where you can get almost anything. We use it for various purposes, and there are many types of channels such as comedy channels, gaming channels, tech channels, and also channels which provides information and entertainment. YouTube has more than 265 million monthly active users in India. So there are many Indian YouTubers who even left their job and became a full-time YouTuber and are earning money which you can't even think of. This is top 10 facts, and here are the top 10 richest Indian YouTubers. Let's explore them one by one. Number 10. Harsh Beniwal.
चांद को उसकी औकात दिखानी मेरी महबूबा.
Harsh Beniwal is an Indian YouTuber who is known for his comedy skits. He is one of the most popular YouTubers in India with 9 million subscribers and more than 730 million views. Harsh Beniwal is one of the few YouTubers who made it from mobile screens to the theatre screens by acting in Student of the Year 2. This Delhi guy has 2.5 million followers on Instagram and 500,000 followers on Twitter. He makes around 2.3 million US dollars per year from YouTube, which is roughly around 17.3 crores Indian rupees. Number 9. Emiway Buntai. Emiway Buntai is an independent rap artist based in Mumbai, and sometimes he is also known as a rap sensation. Most of his music videos are hit, and he has made a unique mark for himself in YouTube. His appearance in Gully Boy for the final scene is an example for his success. He is one of those who has gone from rags to riches just based on his talent. At present, he has around 11 million subscribers on YouTube, and he is not that active on social media and earns more than 2.5 million US dollar per year, which translates to 18.9 crores Indian rupees. Number 8. Ashish Chanchlani.
छाती पे सोलर पैनल लगे हुए हैं जो बाहर जाता है रोशनी चूसता है इस घर में बिजली लाता है बिजली का बिल तेरा बाप भरेगा.
Now here comes one of our favorites. Ashish Chanchlani has some of the highest viewed videos on YouTube. He makes comedy videos on his channels and is famous for his humorous rants and hilarious dubs. Starting from being a small whiner, he has grown out to become a channel where various celebrities collaborate to promote their films. Ashish is the 4th largest YouTuber in India in terms of subscribers, with 18.6 million subscribers. He also has 7.2 million followers on Instagram and 1.1 million on Twitter. Now comes the interesting part. He earns about 3.1 million US dollar per year, which is roughly 23.4 crores Indian rupees. Number 7. Dr. Vivek Bindra. Dr. Vivek Bindra is a popular motivational speaker and is really famous for his videos on various topics such as study motivation, entrepreneurship talks, and also business help talks. He currently stands at 12.6 million subscribers and is the second most subscribed motivational channel after Sandeep Maheshwari. He has helped many individuals to grow their business. He makes around 1.4 million USD or 10.5 crores per year from YouTube. But he makes a huge amount from his live shows, which makes him the 7th richest YouTuber in the country. Number 6. Nisha Madhulika. With the COVID-19 forcing us to be inside home, many cooking channels have started to boom, and hence many cooking channels have started gaining attraction. One of these channels is Nisha Madhulika, which makes videos around various recipes. The channel is mainly based on Indian cuisine but also has some of the popular Western dishes. This channel currently has 9.4 million subscribers and also holds a website under the same name. She makes a hefty amount of money from it. She makes around 3.4 million USD or 25.6 crores Indian rupees per year and is expected to explode as many men are taking a huge risk by learning cooking with the help of this channel. Number 5. Shruti Arjun Anand. Shruti Arjun Anand is a YouTube channel which makes various comedy skits and beauty-related videos on YouTube. They have grown a lot in recent years. Recently, they appeared a lot in trending pages, and at times you would find 2 or 3 of their videos trending at the same time, which is very rare for any YouTuber. They currently have 7.3 million subscribers in YouTube and have around 1.2 billion total views. She earns about 3.5 million USD, which translates to roughly 26.4 crore Indian rupees. Attention ladies, this channel may help you very much. Number 4. BBK Wines. One of the most subscribed channel in India. Yes, BBK Wines by Bhuvan Baum, who is a comedian and a singer, has the record for being the first Indian channel to have 1 million, 5 million and 10 million subscribers, and also has the record for being at the number 1 spot for a long time. He currently is the 4th most subscribed Indian channel in YouTube with a whopping 18 million subscribers. He himself plays around 15 characters and makes videos on the life of them. His talk show T2 Talks is one of the most famous comedy talk shows on the platform. He earns around 3.7 million USD or roughly 28 crore Indian rupees from YouTube, but he also makes a lot of money by selling cool t-shirts and promoting various other brands. Number 3. Amit Badana. The first Indian individual creator to hit 20 million subscribers. Amit Badana is the second most subscribed channel in India. He also has the record of being the fastest to gain 10 million subscribers and has remained at the number 1 spot for about a year. Most of his videos become viral and he has 5 videos which have more than 50 million views. He is the guy who makes comedy content for family audience and hence is growing at a really faster pace. Currently, he earns about $4.4 million or 33 crores Indian rupees on a yearly basis. Number 2. Technical Guruji.
आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी, चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
The most popular Indian tech YouTuber. Yes, Gaurav Chaudhary, popularly known as Technical Guruji, needs no introduction. He is globally the second most subscribed technology channel and has created multiple records for a niche which is not as popular as comedy or music. He has certain companies to manage, but still he manages to upload 2 videos per day and is often termed as a video machine. He also has a vlogging channel under his name where he posts a video weekly. He currently has about 17 million subscribers in Technical Guruji channel and has 3.5 million subscribers in his vlog channel. Combining all these incomes, he makes a whopping 5.5 million USD or 41.4 crores Indian rupees per year. It's obvious because he makes around 600 videos per year. Number 1. Carrie Minati.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? क्या तुम इस दिवाली करोड़पति बनना चाहते हो क्या?
Here comes the man whom earphone manufacturers love and TikTokers hate. The man with the most number of subscribers in India. The man who invented roasting in India and is known as King of Roasting. Carrie Minati. The man behind this channel is Ajay Nagar, a 21-year-old youngster from Delhi who started this channel when he was 16 years old and rose to fame because of his unique style. He was also the most popular teenager in the country 2 years before. He also has a gaming channel in the name Carrie is Live, where he streams and interacts with his fan. As of now, he has more than 21 million subscribers at Carrie Minati channel and 5.6 million subs at Carrie is Live channel. He earns a mind-boggling 20 million US dollar per year. He also gets a lot of donation in his live stream. It may seem that YouTubers are earning a lot of money by sitting inside their home, and it will be tempting for you to start a new one. But it takes hours of effort to make a single video possible, and these creators were consistent for more than 5 years, and then they tasted the fruit of success, and they deserve it. With that being said, this is it for today's top 10. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned.